Kuzampo, I'm Muguntile, the website manager and the technical head of PandoraBiz.com. I'm here to give you a brief introduction about the camera, the app, and things you should and need to know about. Before that, I would like to congratulate everyone here who got selected from 167 candidates that had applied. You are the few best one. You guys have the opportunity to change yourself, to be better than you are, better than you were. You guys have been given an opportunity to represent our company PandoraBiz.com in your community or in your zone club. If you have the skill about this camera, how to install it, you are given an opportunity to apply it. If you don't, you're gonna learn new thing about PandoraBiz.com CC camera and how to install it. So with this, lesson has begun.
You will be provided with a package of this camera. Inside the package, you will get various things like adapter, wall socket, and screw, manual book, and other cards that is necessary. This is the sticker. This is the wall mount where you need to have visit the sticker. This is the main product. This is camera of PandoraBiz.com. You will see our logo pasted on the camera. This here is here where we have put in this memory card, 128 memory card. The GB memory card. You need to take it out. It's as simple as take out the memory card from the phone. Put it back the same way you took it out. And we also have put this SIM card in it with 199 data package activated. Now the things you need, the socket. This is where how to connect the collector. This is where the positive one goes. This is the neutral one. This is the negative one. And if necessary, you also need a 3-pin top. This is the positive point, and this is the neutral point. You need wires. For example, I'm showing this in this one. You cut it and join the point with the negative or the positive. You need this one screw. If you have handgun, it will be good for you because it makes the work more easy. So I'm going to show you how to install the ball plug on the plug. Press the sticker first. You see 3 holes. You have to delete according, or you can deal without the sticker too. Handgun, if you have handgun, it make it wall more easier. So the amount have to install. Now how to put the camera. See, the camera should be put in, and the wire should the wall mount will have the space for one. This is the 3 connection you will see on the camera. This is where you have to press and hold for a few seconds to do the factory restart. And you see the small black one is where the adapter should be connected. Now how to install the socket. Having handgun make a work more easy. Instead to hold there, you have to drill it with that hole into the wall. This is how you should put it in. You have to screw screw back it the way you would unscrew the socket. And same for the both of the point. Now we have already joined the adapter with this. This is how it's done.